guys, we're on to our third mission. We're on to Vert 4 now. It's going to be 15 of each. A dumbbell bent over row, a 15 seated band row with a resistance band, hanging knee ups, and as if you haven't had enough burpees, we got some more. Jamie's going to kind of take us through these exercises to begin with. All right, our bent over dumbbell row. We're going to start with a bar first. Chest forward, shoulders back, back straight. Don't walk out your knees. Straight in. Good job. Let's show them with the dumbbells now. Same principles. Keep your chest forward, shoulders back, back straight. Great job. One more. All right, let's move on to the seated row. Pull back. Sit back. You get tension on your band. Keep your back straight. Your hands in and pull straight back. Squeeze it right in there. Great job. Perfect. Just like that, guys. Our next one is hanging knee ups. You're either hanging with your knees up. If you don't have somewhere to hang, hit those elbows. Great. If you don't have somewhere to hang, you can do the same kind of ab modification. Lay down, bring your feet up, crunch up, and come back down, and just do 15 of those. And then burpees. We all love burpees. So there's all your stuff. Yay! Let's get started. 15 bent over rows. Do we have our timer ready? Got it ready. All right. 15 of these, 15 seated rows, 15 hanging knee ups, and 15 burpees. You ready? Tell me when. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Seated. All right. Got them. Scoot back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Back straight. Yep. 5. You can put your feet, however, just don't lean forward and pull back like that. Keep your back straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Knee ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you might not be able to get your knees all the way up. It takes some practice. As long as your knees are coming to here, breaking your belly button, the plane right there, and you're still getting a good ab workout. What number are we on? 10. Whew. I got 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Back to bent over rows. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo, 40 pounds is a bit much right now. Yeah. We're thinking that, aren't we? Yes. That sounded good. Oh! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, let's be monkeys. 2, I'm missing my grip. My gloves don't work. It sorts my gloves. 9. Sometimes.
Lay it on the gloves.
And jump down. And get back up. 1. Your arms are tired. Your hands are tired. My everything's tired. Burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hands are tired. They don't want to grip. Make them. 12. Oh, 3 more. 13. Hang in with us, guys. 13. 14. 15. Last set of burpees. Ready? 1. Do one more. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 5 more. 11. Almost there. 13. 14. Last one. 6:02. I gotta do one more. 6:02. She's on it. Woo. All right. Water. Wash. Rinse off for a minute. We'll be right back.